If you're looking for ways to make the most of gold and silver in your retirement portfolio, you're in the right place. Many American retirees are already turning to precious metals like gold and silver to safeguard their wealth, especially in uncertain times. So, what exactly makes gold and silver a valuable asset for your retirement? And how can you incorporate them into your portfolio to ensure your savings are protected? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path forward. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to secure their futures, and you can get a free guide to help you figure out how to do it too. This could be your first step towards a more secure retirement. Now, let's talk about gold and silver. These precious metals have been trusted for centuries as a store of value. When the stock market fluctuates or the value of the dollar decreases, gold and silver tend to hold their worth or even increase in value. This is why they've always been seen as a safe haven, particularly for retirees. But there's more to it than just owning some gold coins or silver bars. To really make the most of gold and silver in your retirement portfolio, you need to use them strategically. First, let's compare them to other options you might be considering, like stocks or bonds. While stocks and bonds can offer growth, they also come with significant risk, especially as you approach retirement age. Gold and silver, on the other hand, act as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. So, if you're wondering whether it's better to stick with traditional investments, think about the volatility you're willing to endure. Gold and silver are less susceptible to market swings, giving you a more stable option for your retirement funds. But here's where it gets really interesting. The best way to incorporate gold and silver into your retirement is through a gold IRA. This allows you to hold physical gold and silver within a tax-advantaged retirement account, which means you get all the benefits of precious metals without the tax headaches. Unlike regular IRAs, which are limited to stocks, bonds, and other paper assets, a gold IRA gives you the ability to own tangible assets that will protect your wealth over time. Now, I know you may be thinking, what about the other ways to invest in gold and silver? You might consider buying physical gold or silver outright, or perhaps even investing in a gold-backed ETF. But here's the catch with those options. They don't offer the same tax advantages as a gold IRA, and you're still subject to market fluctuations. When you choose a gold IRA, you're not only securing your wealth in a more reliable asset, but you're also minimizing your exposure to taxes and fees, which is crucial for retirees looking to maximize their savings. A gold IRA is also a great option for diversification. As you get older, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Even if you have a substantial amount saved up in stocks, bonds, or other investments, adding a gold IRA gives you a more well-rounded portfolio. This is especially important for high-net-worth retirees with over 100K in their IRA or 401K, or even 5 million plus in savings. You don't want to take any chances with your wealth, and a gold IRA helps ensure your retirement funds remain secure, no matter what happens in the economy. So, if you're serious about making the most of gold and silver in your retirement portfolio, consider setting up a gold IRA. It's the smartest, most efficient way to invest in precious metals while protecting your wealth. Remember, this is a move thousands of American retirees are already making to safeguard their futures. If you're ready to get started and you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, don't forget to click the first link in the description. It's a free guide that will show you exactly how to do it. To wrap up, if you're an American retiree with 100K plus or even 5 million plus in savings, a gold IRA could be the key to ensuring your wealth remains protected for years to come. Start today and take control of your retirement security. You've worked hard to build your savings. Now it's time to protect it with gold and silver.